Drua, well, they've got plenty of power up front and plenty of athleticism. Natavai in the loose head jersey, the hooker, Itane Vere, Ndonge, tight head, Silisila, Vose in the locks, Wanga, Takana, Vai Vaka, Derena, Alangi make up the back row. And in the backs, Frank Lomane, Armstrong, Ravola, Momo, Apisilomane, Vota, Mase, Rato, Manda and Rabetu make up the back line. And in the reserve, Jeff.
Indeed, look out later on the bench, Joey Kimu Valetini to make an impression in the 22 jersey and a potential debut in 23 for Junior Ratuva, as Justin Harrison Goog will take a look at the Moana dressing room and the lineup this afternoon.
Yeah, this Moana team have got a big challenge on their hands. This Fijian and Drua side full of players from the World Cup. The key is a tight five. Malalo there at the hooker. That is the supply chain of possession for this team. He's going to be hitting Savage and Craig in the second row. So important to release the back row. Norris, Havili, Talatui and Inisi there are going to be powerful. There's going to be direct running, short line, short passing to free up this back line as well.
A warm round of applause for the Fijian Drua. Derena Langi leading them out here at Aami Park. Beautiful conditions once again for rugby. And Justin Harrison, this man in the 9 jersey, their top scorer for Fiji at the Rugby World Cup. He will be critical once again to unlocking this lethal attack.
Geez, he can play the game, Frank Lomani. One of the things that we've seen Frank Lomani turn into is a very good decision maker, probably guilty of trying to create too much out of nothing as a halfback. They're very good at that, but what he's also now understanding is when to distribute, when to run, when to kick pass, and when to talk. A real leader in this Fijian and Drua tide.
And here are Moana Pasifika. Super Round 2024 continues in Melbourne. Armstrong Ravula. And he finds the touch. Goes deeper, Avili. Little kick across to the right wing of our Wong. One to beat our Wong back in field. And he can't find the support as the Drua come away. Vota looking for support. He finds it in Mussy. He's got plenty of gas. End-to-end stuff. Fijian Drua at their best. And it was excellent last week. Jacob Norris, Tawala, almost found a way through. Around 3 or 4 white jerseys. On a close again. Malolo has his hand up for it. The hooker's got it. He's got a Nisi with him on the drive. They reload once more. The crash ball through the water. They're going to score. Sione Mafileo.
Gain line, this carry here, and then there was the quick ball, the speed of that, the Nare, short ball to Mafileo. Beautiful unders line, Goog. Too easy for the big fella. Great reward for the Moana Pasifika side.
What we call Big Severe, the human bus. I'm pretty sure that's a bigger version just there. That's the double decker.
Sit!
Lomani is coming off his wing. Celestino Ravotomanda clicking into third gear, getting the ball away beautifully. Elia Thanakai for the Fijian Drua.
Ravotomanda for a start, just straight through the Moana defence. They'll be disappointed with that offset piece. But we spoke about athletes. We spoke about the back row. And Thanakai Vata, he is certainly one of those. He looked like a winger running down that right-hand edge.
I tell you what, for all your structure and organising and planning, you just can't beat pace and athleticism. Thanakai Vata there, what is he doing there? He's added an extra yard of pace. That is exceptional. It's what they can do. It's what they can do.
I like this decision. They've been dominant in the last 5 minutes or so. They'll take 3, 5 or 7 when they're on offer. And he does that easily.
Slots it through.
Moana Pasifika, though, not scared to throw the pigskin around from their own end either. It's a great watch.
Pressure coming. And Drua got to get it out of there, and Nari can't do it. 38 metres out. Isaiah Armstrong, Ravula, straight as you like. Great kick. Toala. Here it is, beautiful pass away for the new man. In 23, Don Moifalau kicking through.
Hey?
There's Armstrong, Ravula.
Look, it is a clear foot trip by 14 white, okay? So it is a yellow card.
He was in there.
No, he stuck his foot out deliberately. 14. Yellow card.
Nearly did in Alangi arguing
cover,
the
so not a
toss,
penalty try.
but they'll lose their
The
right
restart is
winger,
in 15 where the ball
Celestino
landed.
Ravatomanda. It'll be last use for Moana Pasifika. Havile, little short pass to Efu from Xavier Toala, getting it away to Awong. The in, the out, and he's taken down by Apisalomi Vota. They reload again.
Leave it.
Looking for the slick finish to the first half here. Toala flooding the wide pass and Nissi.
Yeah.
Brilliant offloads galore. That man Toala, he was involved down the right-hand edge, secured that ruck, and from there actually made his way out. Another touch, a double touch, Danny Toala, and then the big right to left pass to that man, Nissi. Like we said, and the awareness to bring it round under the sticks as well. Brilliant try.
Got caught ruck watching and watching all of those bodies in front of him. Players coming over the ball, behind the ball, 14 players in motion, so hard to defend.
William Havili sends it through, brings the curtain down on this first half. As William Havili gets the second 40 underway, and down as far as Frank Lomane for Armstrong, Ravula, and the captain, Terena Lange. Really love to find a way across the chalk. And have that record all to himself in Super Rugby. Toala up in the line, pops it away to reserve hooker and Sammy Molly. Wong kicks a little chip through, and there's the ball sitting up, beautiful. Taefu's going to score it. What a start to the second 40 for Moana Pasifika.
To the 22, and they make them pay. Nigel Awong, lovely little deft kick. The weight of that, perfect gig.
And that's the variety that they would have talked about at half-time. Listen, we're getting our hands on the ball. We're getting into the attacking 22. We need to think about how we're penetrating now. Get a few kicks in behind, unsettle.
Hard to see on that angle, Goog.
Yeah, that's just boots and big humans.
Carcasses everywhere.
So just bring it back from there.
Has he got it down too?
I think he looks like there's a Moana
Just a bit
Pasifika.
before
Jacob
that.
Norris's arm under that too.
He's
So
been tackled and then propelled himself again.
conclusive, but Angus maybe did say he had a grounder.
He's on his knees
He'd
there.
seen a grounder.
He's talking about
There's
propelling
1, 2,
here.
3 on the double movement. Yeah.
I'm not convinced he's
Calling
got
one.
that down.
That's one.
There,
2,
elbow,
3.
propelling.
Yeah, okay. We've got it. Yeah, come back to me. All right, so the player's initially tackled short, and then he's propelled himself a couple of times, so it's a double movement penalty.
So there it is.
You've tackled and then crawl on the ground.
First debut last
no, it
week.
wasn't.
They come again. Canaveri, they tried again to get up this time, Craig, but they do have it. And look at him make amends, but Tommy well taking flight. And he scores the try, Celeste Tino Ravatomanda.
This is special. Drua just won that line out. Inside ball. He shrugged off 4. How's he got through there? Unbelievable.
Great move, great display of what this team can do now. Bring structure, win the ball at the back of the line out. Darren Alungi comes across, runs an inside switch with his powerful winger coming through. Great line, great timing.
A little wider this time for Savage on the cutback. Over the ball, midder. He's got it too. Excellent work
He's holding on.
by the Drua reserve loose forward.
Go.
Sonny, you've done way more tackling than me. What do you think?
Attempt to wrap, all right. It's a dangerous tackle.
Yeah, it didn't
it's a
look
yellow
good.
card and an off-field
He
review.
didn't look good, and he's a good man, so I don't think intentionally, I think he was just a little off there.
Lays it back. Man in the bin. What a score this would be. Xavier They'll try and will him to the line here.
Short.
Just short, Julian.
Last feet, hands up.
Once more, Molly for the drive. Very close, he scores. That is some try. Awong just took a seat.
The Fijian and Drua attack line, and then it's all about aggression and reaction. Carrying strong, making sure the ball's coming back. All of the players on that field there for Moana Pasifika contributed. Clean out, support, latch, get over the line, Joey. That's a great sign.
Sammy Molly got the meat pie, but
What a leader. We heard JK talk about mana and presence. There it is right there in that man, in an 18 jersey.
And AC, the try scorer, a good take at the back. Look at this. Moana fizzing at more time. Through they go, try scored.
And like any,
he was sprinting, look at him.
like any good prop, he'll claim it
Yeah,
too.
it was all me, the back left.
Well, it was. Look at the action
Yeah.
there. He's down low. He's a big body.
Couldn't get in between him.
Arms
He's
up in
loving
the air.
it.
Well done, son. Tell you what, you get the feeling, Joey, that Moana Pasifika here, going to be a boil over. First time that they've beaten the Fijian and Drua. We might have given them the kiss at 20 to go. There's plenty of points. There's plenty of points.
I'm glad it was you, not me, mate.
Copybook from the outside centre.
Still
As
playing
they
advantage.
come again through hit 10. Playing against 14.
Boys, knock on. Where is it? Yeah. Back on the goal line.
Just considering the tap, they'll take it. Danakoivata looking for another one, very close. I reckon he's down, he is.
Thought they were only down to 14 men to 10. This is going to lift the spirits of this Drua side, this try, with 20 to go. Got a bit of work to do, good.
Yeah, Kobe Kepu there would be disappointed. He probably could have got off. Kobe Kepu here they're interested in.
He's always in the offside position. Yeah, if he's not there, then that's going over the line. If he's not there, that's going over the line.
On his feet behind the line.
I think we're a yellow card.
I don't think he
whether
gets
or not
back
we think it's
wholly
been
onside.
try.
He needs to be back behind last feet.
So let's just check
That's
the
the
seconds.
Still offside. There he is there. 18,
Yeah,
walk,
he's never
walk,
back.
left foot,
Yeah, he's
offside. He's still offside.
But there's a player there.
It's the goal line, mate.
I don't
It's
know.
no offside.
Yeah, I'm
It's
at
the goal
yellow
line.
card.
Your feet are behind.
Yeah.
Trigonometry
18
or
blue.
whatever you needed to do.
Right back on me,
Score.
okay.
You didn't show up.
18.
Both feet behind the goal
yeah.
line, guys.
Yeah, exactly.
So
Doesn't matter where he's
you're
come
never
from.
back onside. So it's a yellow card, but there is cover. So it's just a yellow card and a penalty. Okay?
I feel he's hard done by. Goog, you obviously don't.
Kuravoli once more away for Velive Midamida.
Six, believe it.
They've got another penalty advantage to work with. Can they crack them? Valentini floats in wide, and there he is.
Advantage, that's all it was. Through the hands. Beautiful wide cutout pass. Valadene, that man, Momo, too easy in the end, but they've just got to keep repeating that. This numerical advantage, just take your time.
Not too much though, not more than 8 minutes, but absolutely the right way to do it.
Moana, well, they just 6 and change away from their first over the Fijian Drua. This man will have other ideas. Over top under, setting sail, gets to the line beautifully. Kuravoli, oh, brilliant! Gets it off, and here he is on debut. Junior Lautoka. Ball out on the arm. What does Angus maybe say? Says play on. Norris will kick it in a touch. For the first time, Moana Pasifika takes victory over the Fijian Drua.